Hi, my name is Travis Robertson. I'm the technical representative for digital platforms in Syngenta Professional Solutions. And today I want to talk to you about the Aero GCX Microclimate sensor, how to install it, and how to upload the data. This is the solar panel here. It powers the atmospheric probe at the bottom. It collects air temperature, humidity, and pressure. And you can install it in many ways. We have one example here mounted to a post. You just use a cable strap and the actual device itself. So it's very easy and seamless to install with no wires, but you can also install it however you see fit on a post or any other configuration that meets your needs. But once it's physically installed, it's time to sync to the Greencast Connect platform. And once you've installed the Greencast Connect app, it's time to start the install process. I'm gonna go to the sensor page, locate the plus button, and locate the Aero Microclimate Sensor tab. After selecting that, select Install an Aero GCX. And here, you need to make sure that the atmospheric probe should already be mounted on the right side once you have physically mounted it. Select Confirm, and confirm you've installed the sensor in the field. So once you enter into the map view, you need to select where the pin is located with the sensor in the field. This is very important because it corrects for atmospheric pressure. Once you've located that, confirm location. And now it's time to scan the QR code of the Aero sensor. You now need to power on the device. Be sure to hold the power button for 3 seconds. The sensor will begin to blink a light blue color. And now you wait for a signal confirmation. This process can take up to 3 minutes while it's searching for signal. So once it successfully connects, you see the connection established notification. And now you either create an area where you want to install the sensor or select an already existing area. You name your sensor. You leave the elevation. You can add a photo if you want for location purposes later. And that's it. You're finished with the install of the Aero GCX Microclimate sensor. Now that you've finished your install, you'll get real-time data for actionable insights within Greencast Connect. And for more information, reach out to your Syngenta representative or check out our website.